Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Reska Rahim. As the moderator for the presentation, they will be done by Latifa today, which will present a presentation on the topic of the impact of stress on the adolescent brain, how biology affects behavior. Okay, I invite Latifa to the time and place.
Thanks to the moderator. Let me introduce myself. My name is Latifa Aulia. Okay, I will present my material, namely is the impact of stress on the adolescent's brain, how biology affects behavior. Next. Adolescence is crucial period of the development marked by significant change in the body, emotion, and especially the brain. During this stage, its brain is still undergoing critical structure and functional maturation, particularly in areas responsible for emotion regulation, decision making, and impulse control. This developmental phase also brings in sensitive to stress, whether it comes from academic pressure, social dynamic, family conflict, or internal struggle. When stress is experienced frequently or chronicle, it can have profound effect on the brain, development, and biology system, which in turn influence adolescent behavior and mental health. Adolescent brain development. 1. Prefrontal cortex. This brain region is responsible for executive functions such as logical thinking, planning, self-control, and decision making. In adolescents, the prefrontal cortex is still developing, which means their ability to make resonant judgment and regulate impulse is not yet fully matured. Next is amygdala. The amygdala processes emotions like fear, anger, and stress. In adolescence, the amygdala is highly active and often dominates of the underdeveloped prefrontal cortex, making emotional reaction more intense and less controlled. The next, neuroplasticity. The adolescent's brain is high plastic, meaning it can adapt and change easily in response to experience. While this plasticity is beneficial in a positive environment, chronic stress can lead the brain to adapt in maladaptive ways, such as becoming overly sensitive to future stressors. The next material of biological effect of stress. 1. Cortisol and the stress response. When faced with stress, the body releases cortisol, a hormone that prepares the body to respond to dangers. While short-term cortisol levels can be harmful, chronic exposure to high cortisol levels can damage brain areas like the hippocampus, which is crucial for learning and memory. Next. Next, neurotransmitter disruption. Chronic stress disrupts the balance of key brain chemicals such as dopamine and serotonin. Dopamine is involved in motivation and reward, while serotonin affects mood and emotional stability. Imbalance in these neurotransmitters can lead to symptoms of depression, anxiety, and reduced concentration. Next, sleep deprivation. Stress often interferes with sleep quality and duration. Science since sleep plays a vital role in memory consolidation and emotional regulation. Poor sleep can worsen the cognitive and emotional emotional difficulties that adolescents already face. Next. The next material is behavior impact of biological change. One inclusive and right state. With an underdeveloped frontal cortex and high receptive amygdala, adolescents are more likely to act on impulse. This can lead to risk behavior such as substance use, wrestling, driving, or unprotected sex, especially when trying to cope with stress. 2. Emotional instability, stress, amplifies emotional reactivity, making teens more prone to mood swing, anxiety, irritability, and even depression. This emotional struggle can interfere with relationship, school performance, and self-esteem. Next, decline in academic performance. Stress reduces attention span, impairs memory, and lowers motivation, making it difficult for students to focus, retain information, and perform well academically. 4. Social withdrawal. Adolescents who experience overwhelming stress may isolate themselves socially, avoid interaction, and feel misunderstood or disconnected, which can future worsen emotionally health and create a cycle of loneliness and stress. Next. And the last, the stress behavior cycle. Stress not only affects adolescent behavior but is also reinforced by it. For example, stress might lead to poor decision making or aggressive behavior, which then causes conflict or further increasing stress factor. This cycle can become chronic if not interrupted by supportive environment, mental health intervention, or coping strategies. Left undeveloped and behavior consequence of stress during adolescence can lead to long-term mental health issues that persist into adulthood. The conclusion is stress has a significant biological impact on the developing adolescent's brain, influencing both its structure and function. The stress directly affect behavior, emotional stability, and mental well-being. Understanding the biological mechanisms behind stress help explain why teenagers something and respond irritational or emotionally to pressure. Since adolescence is a foundational stage for building lifelong mental and emotional health. It is essential to provide supportive environment, teach effective coping strategies, and promote mental health awareness to help teens manage stress in health and conscious way. Okay, I turn it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Latifa, for delivering the material. Next, we will go into the question and answer session. For those of you who want to ask questions, for our friends, do you have any question? For Shifa, then Isra.
Okay, thank you, the moderator. I will the question for Ratifanto. How does stress affect the adolescent brain? Okay, thanks for your question. I will answer the question. The answer is stress can alter the structure and function of the adolescent brain, particularly in regions such as the hippocampus and amygdala, leading to change in emotional regulation and behavior. Okay, thanks. That's all I can say. Are you understand?
today has ended. As the moderator, if there are any mistakes in my words, I apologize. I say thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam